June na ciklo World Environment Day amen pen nilitum Nilip Press Club lapen Thana Advisory Committee lapen Thana in charge OC chilang pet pen pini ladak Thana accompagner lo World Environment Day amen pen thengpi arong ke asai nilitum kedengpon labang so asai nilitum bikhek pini kedengpon ke lahan lo non loma pirthe global warming lahai pen lang dam nilitum World Environment Day kalides tam nilitum thengpi ke inangi ke nilitum abang putin la penutin adon tin la pen hemtin stami ke inangi ke akinang so pipodma pute pini nilitum theglong nilitum scientist tum pen stami weather pathak stami pangdak ponlo je tomon arve duji tomon charting duji pu la sinon ki dam tang sitami recently sitami ke chekok si ke onglo tomon dolo arve dolo la son dak taksi ilitum lahai pen ke jok nangji pute pini scientist tum pen ke thana teng pute la pen ke weather tum ke thana teng pute ilitum ke tiposi lahai tomon la pen lahai here la pen lahai arve ke ongren ma pute ilitum Kwansi thengpi thengphang ke dunai ma ke inai ma labang so thengpi thengphang ke pivire joksi pini global warming same kachel lara sonsi nang dokok losi lahai pen sipi jok ji pute pini thengpi thengphang e lo pute la pen lang roi lang jeng te lang dolo pute ilitum lahai pen ake jok longpo la si pini ilitum lang dam dote thekdam longji lang roi lang jeng sitame water levels tame lang levels tame ilitum aklong dam pik anlo la si pini nilitum NPC lapen ke Nilip Press Club lapen ke Chokihola Thana Advisory Committee lapen on behalf of OC hoi pen ilitum ki rataphan ke pachini kangtung ke lahan lo ilitum World Environment Day Arni thengpi e chot ke chokche ilitum abiri bithung nong stame towar akung stame ilitum thengpi e si ilitum munit indut pen thengpi e rong unan ke ilitum e chot chede si labang so thengpi pareng pen si ilitum tomon ke megelong je pha athema ilitum thengpi thengphang e lopute ke phang oxitame tomon kar omsitame tomon ke hingno stame thengpi tum si chokoprang ye thengpi tum si ilitum phan ke fresh air ilitum phan ke tomon ke me ilitum phan piji lasi la pen chepe jogji ke atowar ke akapre ka velo lasi la World Environment Day Arni pache tonon si pini nilitum thana kompanong anstame nilitum ke tomon ke mekelong tomon ke mekang se batheng PC nilitum NPC la pen Thana Advisory Committee OC hoi pen nilitum e ponlo.
Yes, a very happy World Environment Day 2024. Today, we the Nilip Press Club have organized and celebrate the World Environment Day here at Chokihola Thana Police Station campus. Along with the Nilip Press Club and then with the police department, we jointly celebrate and plant a trees. So, as a president, on behalf of the Nilip Press Club, I would like to thank the police department here in Chokihola Police Station and all the media partner, my colleagues who have been coming and witnessing the World Environment Day celebration of today, 2024. So thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.